Just chill, Jet. It's the boy Sofalo D. We back with another video. And as you can tell by the title and the thumbnail, I thought my jet skis were stolen, but they're right here. See, niggas wasn't moving righteous, and they allowed my shit to get towed, or towed. It would have got towed if the property manager wasn't such a good guy and moved them out the way for me. So we got these back. I'm happy because I was going to trade that in for a 700R or a 450R four-wheeler, and I thought it was gone. So I called the police department. I called the tow yard. It wasn't there. Police department had no reports. I thought it was gone. It's here. So we finna hop out. We finna grab them, and I gotta relocate them. So that's what we finna do right now. I'm not gonna put him on camera, but I'm gonna record everything else. And we got one tattoo to do today. We had two, but one canceled, so we only got one to do today. And whatever else I do after that, I don't even know. So y'all stay tuned. Y'all like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna see y'all when we get these hooked up and we get to the next location to drop them off. We gotta get in, hook and book. We gotta hook and book. We gotta tow somebody's shit. Is this the one? Is this the one? Damn, they would have came out already. We got it. No, we don't. No, we do. No, we do.
Let me lift it, and then you should be right. Yeah.
Oops, sorry. I thought these were stolen. I called the tow yard. They said
No, they did steal them, but I got them. Don't worry. They charged you $200 total. Okay. By the way, I never plugged any lights in. I don't know if they work.
Yeah, they work. All right. By any chance, do you have Zelle?
Perfect. Yeah,
Yeah.
sell it to me.
All right. So that's your phone number.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Just sell it to 617. And if you have to put a memo on there, just do me a huge favor and put new tires.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Man. See ya.
Yo, we out. Got my shit back. Niggas tried to butt my shit. Yeah, we out. Oh shit. He cool as fuck. As you can see, fuck shit tried to happen. But fuck shit never, what's that word? I don't know. It never, the fuck the word is? I don't know. It never go through, fuck nigga. God knows your intentions. I can't say fuck nigga and then say God knows your intentions. That's kind of contradicting, right? Yeah, a little bit. Oh, snap. Yeah, but we got the jet skis back. We finna go put this up somewhere. And then we're gonna come back and get that one. I actually put that one on offer up, so I'm finna sell that one, get some money off that. Then we gonna, probably tomorrow, see what they'll give me for it. So we're gonna take a ride out west, and I think I seen a 450 there or a 700R, but we finna go see if we can get that. My homeboy Vaughn said 450 is better because it's better for suspension wise, and the 700 is more for trails. So I'll probably just get the 450 instead. I don't know, but I'm gonna see how when we get to the next location. I gotta make a couple calls, see where I can put these motherfuckers real quick, and then we gonna see how when we get there. But you ain't gotta record no.
Yeah, I just never got no shit for the first one.
I can't put it in. Can't put it in. Alright, I'm just put it up here. No, fuck, this bit really tripping. Or am I tweaking? I know I'm not tripping. Let there be some bitch. No way.
You're just trying to plug up the ring light? Oh.
This. It's like, it's not. That's weird as fuck. Let there be light. So, my client's downstairs waiting on me. I'm finna bring her up. She getting a spine tattoo, so let's see what she trying to get. Cook up some fire shit. Yeah. But we got the studio situated, which is why he's here, listening to the beats. We got the labby. We even got, you can see the mic in there. We done downloaded everything. We just got those, so it's pretty much complete now. Almost. We gotta get some pictures, maybe some shelves. And that's really it. Other than that, we grinding, we working. I'm gonna see y'all when we get the stencil situated, cause that takes a little process. I ain't even finna record all that. And we put everything on her back and we start. Then y'all can get y'all POV, y'all montage, whatever the case may be. So I'm gonna see y'all when she get up here and we're gonna get started. I'm sorry. Gotta get it clean. God.
Go big or go home, right?
Yeah? Sure enough, I'm big. On your backside.
Oh, gosh.
Yo! That's what you call some dedication. Niggas sleeping in the booth. Just sleeping in the booth. Jamar. Nigga balled up. Sleeping in the booth. Oh. Them boys is slump. We was really waiting for these freaking waves and plugins to download for the studio, and it's taking forever. They ended up falling asleep, but as I can tell, I'm whooping ass in COD right now. Whooping Surge ass in COD right now. I'm tired of coming in first place.
This nigga lying.
Tired of coming in first place. Not gonna lie, it's getting a little too easy. But we finna go ahead and end this vlog. It's currently 2 a.m. in the morning. They got school tomorrow. They sleep, but I'm gonna drop them off home, drop Serge off home, and I'm gonna get to editing videos because my first appointment for the day is not until like 6 p.m. tomorrow, so I got lots of time to sleep. So dang, I'm trying to get some good light. Yeah, there we go. Hey man, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Y'all want more videos like this, and also comment down below what y'all want to see, what y'all want me to do, what y'all need me to do. You know what I mean? Just comment down what you want to see on this channel. We gonna get it done. It's your boy SoFloatD. See y'all in the next video, man.
Got a Draco in my bag, that's my daily Draco. Once a play hitter, y'all missing quick paper. On my blick hitters talk, that's a quick taper. 100K for the month, made me feel safer.